Hey guys, really excited to show you this new listing of mine. It is a Northeast Mesa custom home, fairly close in, just off the 202, so it's super convenient. Really nice neighborhood, great schools in the area. This one has some unique features that are hard to find. Probably the biggest one is it's got a huge RV area, and it's in an area with no HOA, so you can park an RV in the area. The RV area has big gates, concrete pad, electric, and sewer, so you're all set for a good RV arrangement. The home itself, absolutely cool split bedroom floor plan, very nice architecturally. It was actually built by a custom home builder for himself before the current owner owns it, and has a lovely pool. Even though it's a very large lot, it's all done in low maintenance desert landscaping. So anyway, check it out. If you have any questions or interest, just give me a call or a text. Bye bye for now.